have a business that's struggling to scale because your website isn't pulling its weight? It's not converting, it's unattractive, it's not optimized or ranking on search engines. Your freelancers are slower than a snail on a lazy Sunday. And their work? Let's just say even your mom wouldn't give it a gold star. Your website is tarnishing your brand and it's kind of embarrassing. You just want a website that consistently brings in leads and sales, right? Is that too much to ask? Spoiler alert, it's not. That's where Tencom comes in. Award-winning Wix website design services that'll transform your online presence and drive sales faster than you can say cha-ching. Fast, high-quality work starting from scratch, giving you a unique solution that you fully own. No cookie-cutter nonsense here. Tencom is Wix's #1 global web design partner with over 10,000 completed websites. That's a lot of happy customers. Choosing Tencom eliminates the risks and hassles of unreliable freelancers, because who has time for amateur hour? Hey! Get everything you need: SEO, digital marketing, content creation, web design, and more. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your online presence. Whether you're a one-man shop or a Fortune 500 company, Tencom has got your back. Check out their portfolio at the link below and see the magic for yourself.